Hey Arya, hey Najee, hey everyone. Here's the unboxing video for my Geo. Okay. Okay. Brand new, no knickknacks on the box or anything. Right here. Okay. Once you open it, open that side too. Sorry about that. See, two-piece barrel out first, and then the marker. Comes with a barrel saw with the clip sticker. Nice. Of course, the Geo, Allen keys, spare O-ring set, spare everything, and then the lube and the two-piece barrel. Show you that everything works. See lights on. Best thing about the Geo is the critical trigger. I love the noise too. Check this out. Bye bye. I'll do a shooting video for you guys later on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, whenever I have time. And I'll do an unboxing video for my property right now. Okay, thanks guys.